Hey my loves, welcome back to Living Life with Meso, or should I say, welcome back to Cooking with Meso. So today I'm making Ofe Uziza. So I'll start off by washing my meat. I'm using cow meat to cook the soup. So I wash up my meat nice and clean, put it inside my pot, just add pepper. This flavor and taste yellow pepper gives to soup. So I prefer to use like yellow pepper. So I added my salt, my Maggi, mix everything, and I just leave it to like cook, and I add water. Like I just rinse the blender that I used to blend the yellow pepper. I added the water. So that's basically what I did. And then I just let it cook until the meat is tender. So these are my ingredients. I'll be using smoked fish. Yes, you need to use smoked fish. Then the star of my show, Uziza leaves. And then the second star of my show, Uziza seed, the grinded one, I'll be not the ground one. I'll be using Ogiri Boda's Locust bean. I'll be using my Achi for my thickner. Instead of using Ede or Yam, I'll be using Achi. Then I'll be using crayfish ground or grinded crayfish. In my cooking proper, the meat is done. So I just added my red oil, added my locust bean, mix everything, added my smoked fish. This is the point where I just add everything, adding my Uziza seed, the grounded one, adding my crayfish. At this point, just pour everything inside the pot. Added my salt and some Maggi cubes. I use Knorr, by the way, mix to combine. Yes, give it a quick taste. You have to taste your food to know that whether you're cooking rubbish or not. Added my thickner, that's the Achi. Mix everything well to combine. Then I'll leave it to cook for at least like 50 minutes. So yes, it's done cooking. I'll add my stuff, my show, the Uziza leaf. I'll add it, and I'll let it cook for like 5 minutes, just to get the leaves done. Yeah, a quick taste check. The soup is ready. Look at that soup. Oh my, they cook. Oh. So time to do my semo. No, sorry, not semo. I'm doing gnocchi. I don't know the English name for this thing, but we call it aribo or gnocchi. So when I'm just done, this is just me plating. I didn't really get like a clear picture of my plating. I just plated everything, both my aribo and my soup. And guys, we have come to the end of this video. Loves, comment down below if you have eaten this soup and if you're willing to try out this recipe if you have not eaten it, because this soup is a banger. See you guys in my next video. Bye.